When she got the promotion, she was on cloud nine, extremely happy. We need to and get this project finished today. Burn the midnight oil. To work late into the night. He lost the game, but he's not giving up. He's still in the game, still active or has a chance to succeed. Let's and focus on the main idea. Cut to the chase. To get to the point quickly. They were fighting, but now everything is water under the bridge. Something from the past that no longer matters. I'm not sure if the plan will work. It's still up in the air, uncertain or undecided. She finally passed the exam after failing 3 times. What a turn of events. A surprising or unexpected change in a situation. When he heard the news, he was completely taken aback, surprised or shocked. I asked him to help, but he just gave me the cold shoulder, ignored or treated someone in an unfriendly way. Her advice really helped me. She always knows how to hit the nail on the head. To describe exactly what is causing a situation or a problem,